What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. We're going on with our podcast today. Just want to cover a couple things today that are on my mind. First of all, is you know what's coming up? Thanksgiving, and then after that, Christmas. So for Thanksgiving, I'm going to be doing a complete Thanksgiving meal. It's not a huge feast meal, but it's a Thanksgiving meal. I'm going to be releasing that video here coming up soon. To show you that you can have a keto-friendly Thanksgiving meal, and it'd be good as well. It's practical, easy. And the point is, if I can do it, I'm going to show you that I can do it, and you can do it. And so that's coming up, and I've got some product reviews and stuff that I'm working on. I bought me a little grill for my vacation coming up and things like that. So if you like doing keto, I know you like probably grilling and stuff like that. If you don't, you ought to invest in a little grill and start grilling some food, because that makes keto very fun and tasty. But let's talk about Thanksgiving for a little bit, and holidays and special occasions all together. Let's talk about that. It seems like every special occasion that we have, a lot of times it's based around food. You got Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, you got wedding feast, you got people bring food when people die. I mean, we eat at every chance we get, and every chance we celebrate, we like to have a big meal. It's an opportunity to bring people together. Even if you go out to eat, it's an opportunity to take advantage of time with each other, and it's been around since Bible times. I mean, you had a wedding feast in the Bible. There's all sorts of occasions in the Bible where food was involved in getting together and celebrating occasions. So it has a long history of tradition. In fact, I've never sent out invitations for a Thanksgiving 5K. We're gonna, instead of celebrating Thanksgiving by eating, we're gonna go and do a 5K. All right, y'all just come with your shoes on, be ready to go. I'd probably be the only one there. Or a birthday party, man. Yeah, your kids are having a birthday. We're gonna just get together and go for a 5-mile walk. That ain't gonna happen. At least when I was growing up, seemed like when I was growing up, birthday cake was traditional, and I'm sure it is with you, man. And I remember mom and dad, before they passed away, the tradition was birthday cake and Pizza Hut. And I remember after eating, my heart racing like 1,000 miles an hour from the sugar and all that stuff, and I felt like garbage the next day. And that was for every birthday that we had. So, and there's several birthdays in the family. But since I've started the keto lifestyle, man, I've had to rethink a lot of traditions in my life. I've let a lot of things go in my life that I used to do, and I don't miss them. I know for a while it was difficult making new traditions. Like, it's just a change. I've seen in several forums and Facebook groups and stuff where people are now trying to incorporate, hey, for my birthday we're all going bowling, or something simple like that, instead of having a big feast or whatever. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about this upcoming one, Thanksgiving. Let's get through this one here. Thanksgiving, it is basically revolving around feast. And that feast usually involves some keto items: turkey, ham, some green beans, deviled eggs, and other traditional things are probably on the keto list. But then again, there's the other side of that list: mashed potatoes, potato salad, sweet potato casserole, macaroni and cheese. Then you get into desserts, banana pudding, and all on the list goes on and on. So the key, I think, for me, and it might be helpful for you, is if you have a big family dinner plan and everybody brings something to the table, make sure there's some things that are going to be there that you can eat. For instance, if if mom and dad are supplying the protein, that's there. And then you've got a brother or sister that's bringing mac and cheese, and you got these people over here that are bringing potatoes. It might be a good idea for you to bring some green beans or some other side that's keto friendly. Just you have to think your way through it to have something there that you enjoy. I mean, don't think that you're just missing out on everything, because even the gravy, I mean, you can make keto gravy and put over some cauliflower, mashed cauliflower. So there's ideas out there. If you look into, if you want to Google it, you can just Google Thanksgiving meal keto, and you're going to find all kinds of stuff out there. There's options. And then even, like I said, there's some things that are already on the keto list that are traditional. Most desserts are not keto friendly, so if you want to bring a dessert, there's plenty of things out there that you can make for that. My upcoming recipe will have a simple dessert in it. But anyway, so be thoughtful about what you bring in or what's going to be there. And then also, if you decide to go out to eat, a lot of families like to go out to eat for Thanksgiving nowadays. Look at the menu ahead of time and look and see what's available. And that way, when you get there, you know what you can order. You know what's there. You know what's probably fitting into your lifestyle. And you won't be caught off guard thinking, well, I don't have anything to eat. I guess I'll just order whatever's on the menu, whatever the special is. You can tell them, look, I need this, this, and this in a lot of places. So that's an option for you as well. And so, speaking of Thanksgiving, just want to take a minute to say thank you to everybody that watches and that subscribes and all that stuff. Every time I get a notification saying that somebody subscribed, in my mind, I'm like, thank you for doing that. And the purpose of my channel has always been a couple things. First, it's a hobby for me to help keep me sober. December 5th, I'll be celebrating 3 years of sobriety. So that's very important to me, and this gives me something to just kind of do to keep idle hands from getting into trouble. But the next thing I want to do is I've been doing keto for a while, and I'm not perfect in my walk. I mean, I hadn't hit my goal yet. I got a ways to go. But man, I'm not where I was either. So I've know a thing or two because I've definitely seen a thing or two. And I want to help other people not to maybe fall into some of the pitfalls that I fell into. And the whole idea of, just settling for whatever's being cooked. My wife and I, we have separate menus pretty much. The protein's the same, but the sides are different. And I don't want to be a burden to her, so I learned how to make some things so to take the pressure off of her. She can cook her side, I cook mine. It works out. I know it's weird for most people, but we've got something that works. And she's very supportive of my keto journey, and she would never do anything to cause me to stumble on purpose or anything like that. So you got to have a plan. And so the next point, is I just want to help you to not fall into some of those pitfalls that I did. And then of course, third is my thinking is this: if I can show that this old Southern boy can put together something for dinner that's keto friendly, that didn't come from a restaurant, I didn't pick it up on the way to home from Billy Bob's down the road, I actually make it. And it's usually very simple and very easy, and it's got to be very tasty. So I want to show that if I can do it, you can do it. All it takes is just a few minutes to set aside and the mindset, I can do this. I don't know why we get into the mindset that we can't cook things, or it won't be good, or whatever. I know growing up, I didn't start cooking until way later in life. Man, my mom, she showed me how to do some things in the kitchen, and I appreciate her doing that, but there wasn't nobody that cooked like Mama. And I tried to compare all the food I ate to Mama's, or my grandma's or my wife's. But you know, after a while of cooking on your own, it's like, hey man, my food's not quite terrible either. So there's that. But I am thankful for you. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you don't fall and stumble and then wake up the next day saying, man, I wished I hadn't have done that. So you just have a plan in place of what you're willing to do, what you're going to do, and stick to it. And then the next day you can be thankful that you done that. Hey, until the next time, may the Lord bless you and have a great Thanksgiving.